Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens. In today's tutorial, we'll look at the Python string method format_map. In Python, the format_map method returns a formatted version of the specified string using substitutions from mapping. The substitutions are identified by braces, and the syntax for the method here is string_object followed by dot format_map with one required parameter mapping, which is a dictionary to be used as mapping. So the variable that we'll work with here is Chris_quote. This is a quote by Chris Pine. So programming isn't about what you know, it's about what you can figure out. So we'll run this and we have this returned here as output. So we'll start with passing in a dictionary input for mapping, where we will capitalize the word about, and we'll create a variable map_1, which equals to a dictionary with the key A and the value about capitalized. And we'll create a new variable, so called new_str, which equals to Chris_quote dot replace, and replace about here with a placeholder, which is curly brackets followed by another curly brackets at the end, and in between there will be the letter A, the key, and we'll print new string plus a new line followed by new string dot format_map with a dictionary, so map_1. And so now when we run this, this is what we have. So this is the string here, which has been replaced for about, replaced with the placeholder A here. And this is using format_map, where we've mapped the key A to the value about, which is capitalized. So both about occurrences here in the string are now capitalized. We can also create another dictionary for words to be mapped. We'll call this variable map_dict, which equals to C, followed by the value can, and then the key F for the value figure, and K, the value no, as well as O for the value out, and finally P for the value programming. We'll create a variable str_2_b mapped, which equals to the key placeholder here for P isn't about what you know, and here there will be a placeholder for K. It is about what you can figure out. So for the last three words here, this will be the key placeholder for each of the letters, CFO, and we'll print str2bmap dot format_map followed by the dictionary, so map_dict. And so when we run this, this is what we have returned. As a programming, it's about what you know, it's about what you can figure out, where it has been, the value is based on the dictionary keys here. So if we capitalize this and rerun this, this will now be capitalized programming. So this returns the string with each placeholder mapped to the key value. And we can also look at passing a dictionary directly into format_map. So we'll create a variable Python_design, which equals to a string here with a placeholder P, design philosophy, emphasizes code readability, and we'll print Python_design. And here we'll print Python_design dot format map, and we'll pass a dictionary here. So dictionary with the key P followed by the value Python capitalized. So now when we run this, that's what we have here. So this is the initial string with the placeholder, and this is the mapping to the value, so Python. So return the new string by passing in a dictionary input without creating a new variable. And so we can also have a look at mapping with nested data structures. So we'll create a dictionary value list. We'll call the variable program_lang, which equals to a dictionary with the key OOP for object-oriented programming languages. And here the value will be a list of 3 different programming languages. So Python, Java, followed by Ruby, and we'll add in another key value pair. So here we'll call this Func Pro for functional programming languages with a list of languages. So Haskell, Mathematica, and SQL. And we'll create a variable str_program with different placeholders based on list indexing. So we'll start with OOP, followed by first language, so that's index 0, and then the second language for OOP, so OOP followed by index 1, and then the third language here, so OOP followed by index 2, are object-oriented programming languages, whereas we'll now add in the functional programming languages, so func_pro followed by index 0, and then func_pro followed by index 1 for the second functional programming language, and then the last functional programming language here, so func_pro followed by index 2, right? And then we'll continue on here. So functional programming languages. And so now if we print string_program.format_map based on this dictionary here, program_lang. And so this is what we have here as output, right? So we've mapped all the placeholders to the list values based on indexing. So Python, Java, and Ruby are object-oriented programming languages, whereas Haskell, Mathematica, and SQL are functional programming languages. So this return the string where all placeholders are mapped based on the value list index. So this is how to use the Python string method format_map with the required parameter input of a dictionary to be used for mapping.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content, and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.